You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to consider laws of logarithm. The first law that we have here states that log base b of xy is equals to log base b of x plus log base b of y. So therefore, log base 10 of 72 could be written in form of log base 10 of 7.2 times 10. Remember that 7.2 times 10 will give us 72. So therefore we are going to have log base 10 of 7.2 plus log base 10 of 10. Number 2, we have log base b of x divided by y is equals to log base b of x minus log base b of y. So therefore, log base 10 of 0.3 will be equals to log base 10. Don't forget that 0.3 could be written in fraction form, which will be 3 over 10. So therefore, we are going to have log base 10 of 3 minus log base 10 of 10. Then the third law of logarithm. Log base b of s raised power m is equal to m log base b of x. That means this power will come to the back of logarithm here. So therefore, log base 10 of 10 raised power 3 will also be written in form of 3 log 10 base 10. Then the fourth law, we have log base b of a to be equals to log base k of a over log base k of b. So therefore, I can write log base 3 of 7 as log 7 over log 3. Then the fifth law. If log base b of x is equals to log base b of y, then s is equal to y. So that means I can eliminate the logarithm. So if log base 10 of 8 is equals to log base 10 of n, so therefore n is equal 8. Then the sixth law, log base b of b is equals to 1. So when the logarithm and the base are equivalent, it equals to 1. So log base 10 of 10 is also equals to 1. And then we have log base b of 1 is equals to 0. So therefore, log base 10 of 1 is equal to 0. Thank you. Make sure that you watch my other videos on logarithm. And if you are yet to subscribe, be encouraged to do that. And ensure that you set on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. Thank you. See you next class.